In this video I am going to connect LM35 temperature sensor with my Arduino. So here I have this temperature sensor LM35. It has got VCC, Vout and ground, 3 pins. Sensitivity of LM35 is such that it gives 10 millivolt change for change in 1 degree Celsius. So I am inserting it in breadboard. I will be using these 3 wires for connecting it. Blue for VCC, purple is for V out, and white is for ground. So here are these 3 wires. First I am going to connect white with ground. Okay, so here is the ground and I have connected it with it. Okay, so it is connected. And now blue for VCC, it will go in 5 volts. And purple will go in analog pin A3. So all 3 pins are connected. So our LM35 is connected with Arduino. Okay, so just checking connections. Okay, now I'll be showing you the code for it. So here is the code. Our sensor is on pin number A3. So we are going to measure temperature in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. As I am using I2C LCD, so I am using library for it. So you should use library for whatever the LCD that you are using. So here we are reading the V out for our sensor. So for our formula, what happens is that Arduino has got an ADC of 10 bits, so 2 power 10 becomes 1024, and starting from 0 this value comes down to 1023. So now 5 volts that could be applied on pin number A3 is equivalent to 1023, and LM35 has a sensitivity of 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. So now LM35 is actually dividing this 5 volts in 500 divisions, or hypothetically it could give me up to 500 degrees Celsius maximum output could be. So now this 500 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 1023. So I could use ratios to find out the measured temperature that we are going to get. So if 500 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 1023, so our measured temperature is going to be equivalent to V out that ADC is reading. So now after cross multiplication, I got our formula, that is 500 multiplied by V out divided by 1023. So this V out is not actually in millivolts, it is actually what Arduino is reading after conversion of it. So now I am uploading this code. So the code is uploaded and I can see the temperature in Fahrenheit scale and degree Celsius. So now I have changed the position of my LM35. At first was connected at the back of these pins. Now I am going to heat it up using this soldering iron. So I am heating it up. And the temperature is rising in both the scales, that is Fahrenheit scale and degree Celsius scale. So temperature is rising in both the scales, that is Fahrenheit and Celsius scale, and now it is decreasing. So we have successfully connected LM35 with Arduino board.